Welcome. Take a pause from the world around you. Find a quiet space and close your eyes. Let's embark on a journey within. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your chest and belly rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tensions. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Now, let your breath find its natural rhythm. Notice how it connects you to this present moment. Imagine yourself in a serene forest, birds softly chirping, a gentle stream flowing nearby. You're here, grounded in this tranquil scene. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, inviting calmness. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, letting go of worries. Feel a warm breeze brush against your skin, carrying away any distractions. As you continue to breathe, imagine your body becoming lighter, releasing stress with every exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Repeat with me, I am present. I am at peace. I am present. I'm at peace. Slowly bring your awareness back. Gently open your eyes. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Carry this newfound calmness with you. You've taken a moment to nurture your well-being. Have a best day of your life.